Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Glorious Media. This is Basav here with another new video. Today I'm going to be talking about Instagram machine, that is the hashtags, description, captions and the way to becoming successful on Instagram. So these are certain strategies I'm going to be talking about in this video and let's have a look at it. The Instagram machine is a world in itself. You will be able to see that how Instagram has become one of the most used social media app, and it has become an important factor to understand the importance of knowing the hashtags, description and the keywords being used and the utilization of it to become successful on it. And the best way to get started here is to first understand what is a hashtag. First, hashtags is something which really provides a kind of hypothesis which connects the users, the content providers, images, videos with the kind of right hashtags attached to it. It has been recently seen that the right kind of hashtags being used on a photo or a kind of video describing the kind of images, what particular hashtags are all about can really do the trick here. It can create a big impact on the kind of followers and the kind of views and the kind of likes and the right engagement which you can get on your own Instagram content, and this provides a good kind of understanding what we need for the right hashtags to be having. First, to understand the hashtags, we need to understand that what kind of image is all about. If the kind of image is about a food photography, you need to understand that putting out there the right kind of what food it is. If it's a sizzler, you need to keep out there the right kind of hashtags for those kind of sizzlers out there which are being cooked, which are being served. If you use the right kind of hashtags for these kind of marketing, it will generate, and I would recommend using all the 30 hashtag keys. These kind of hashtags are the way for making the Instagram algorithm make this photo basically describes this kind of hashtags to be used in that kind of category and to be kept in that kind of hashtag page, which will also make it enable those kind of other people who are using the same kind of content and make them watch your photo to come up and see on the explore page. And this will make it more easier for you to understand and make your market, your product more and more, and making them look that okay, this particular product is described in a particular way and it mentions the right kind of targeting to the particular kind of audience which you are looking forward to. This will also enable a right perspective to your followers to make them think that what this post is really all about, which you posted recently, and it will talk more and more about the benefits of it. I'll show you that how hashtags are really found. I will show you that how to find out the right hashtags for your right kind of photos and the videos that you're making. Just have a look.
If you type the word sizzler, you will get a lot of other hashtags and keywords for sizzler hashtag. But if you get to see the similar hashtags like Italian food, sizzler love, sizzler, all these hashtags are kind of used. You can type these kind of hashtags and you can kind of find out your kind of keywords and trying to find similar keywords and put it on your hashtags. In a similar way, you can see football. You can see that when you type the word football hashtag, you will get to see with all the posts relating to the football hashtag, and those football hashtag page has a lot of other people have tagged, like famous footballers like Messi and all the other kinds of hashtags which are being typed in the list that you can see here. In the similar way, you need to find out the hashtags which you want to find for your kind of keyword. Find the kind of post that you can see here, and in the similar way for your kind of hashtags you can use the same which you want to have a look.
Now comes the aspect of utilizing the right description. When you understand that what a description is all about. A description is something that these days influencers use big number of words of around 2000 words you can keep as your description, which is a lot of words to be used to describe your own kind of images, that what kind of product, what is the kind of photo and the kind of images which you are trying to promote and what it really says about it. If you use the right kind of captions, describing the right amount of description, and which is putting it the right method of showing that what this product is all about, what this photo is all about, what this video is up, what you have been up to, what you have been doing, what is the kind of things that you want your followers to make out of this photo or this post that you have been coming up with. This will make it more easier for your followers to know that what is something that you're promoting. In your description, you can come up with the right amount of contest, giveaways, the right call to actions, showing them the right number of emojis, showing what this photo is all about and what this post is all about, and making it connected with your hashtags. Well, the most important aspect of using the description and the hashtags is all about, and also having the right kind of emojis, call to actions, giveaways, contest, whatever things that you're putting in your Instagram post. It describes to bring in an interest, build a relationship, engage with your audience, engage and bring a kind of frequency which shows that what your performance of a post is going to be. And this will enable you to get more people to engage with your content and over the period of time get you more followers. I would recommend you to use and include the right geotags. Tag the particular person, tag the particular brand. If you have partnership or collaborated with anyone, try to collaborate and show that it's in a partnership basis. Try to tag that person, use the right geolocations. Also tag where appropriately needed. Prioritizing your information here is one of the most important things to be kept when you use and come out with the right post when you are coming out with. And the main purpose of knowing the Instagram machine is only one, that Instagram algorithm works in a way where description, hashtags, emojis, call to actions, taglines, geotags, and tagging appropriately describes you to get the right kind of marketability to your posts that which you need to be doing to build and utilize the right and giving the indication to the right Instagram algorithm to make you the post number one on the explore page. And this is the key of Instagram. If for any more questions, if you have for Instagram, if you have any doubts, please do comment below. If you have liked this video, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.